Hello everyone, this is Balu. Welcome to my channel Civil Cave. In this video, I am going to discuss about plate girder. Actually, I am going to do series of lectures on this plate girder, like initially with the introduction and also structural behavior of the plate girder, and also finally the design of the plate girder using numerical examples. And also, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and also share with your friends who are willing to learn about the civil engineering. Okay, let's get into the video. Here initially I am going to show the practical images related to the plate girder and also followed by the introduction of the plate girder. Here you can see actually here whatever the plate girder erection is going on. Here a person is standing, you can observe clearly it is almost 1.5 times the height of this person, that is almost 7.5 to 10 feet height you can expect this plate girder. Here you can observe the crane is erecting the plate girder, and also here another person is tying the bracing in between the two plate girders. Plate girder is actually, it is a built-up section which is made of plates. You can see here this is a flange and these are the stiffeners, and also this is the web you can see. This location is near the Uttar Pradesh, which is near the Obra Dam, and whatever the plate girder, this span of this plate girder is 30.5 meters. Generally for the construction of the dams, or you can say any other structures, access bridges are going to be constructed, and this is also one of the access bridge which is constructed near the Obra Dam. Generally plate girder is used to construct the bridges which is having high span, and you can observe here the clear view of the bracing which is connecting the two plate girders, and also here you can see the train is moving already, which is already erected and working. Here you can observe the plate girder. Actually, there are two plate girders here. In between the two plate girders, they are going to connect these two plate girders using the bracings. And above these plate girders, they are going to lay the sleepers. And on the sleepers, they are going to lay the railway track. You can observe clearly. So, for railway bridges and also highway bridges and all other bridge structures, they are going to use this steel plate girders. And you can see this is the distant view of this whatever the plate girder, and this is the crane which is erecting the plate girders in between the two piers. And this is one of the another practical images, and this location is near the Gachibowli in Hyderabad, and actually the highway construction is going on here, and these are the plate girders you can observe clearly which are connected by the bracings, and also you can observe this is the splice which is connecting the two spans plate girders. And also above this whatever the plate girders, they are going to cast the deck slab, and above that they are going to lay the highway on it. You can observe this is the bracing which is connecting the two plate girders, and actually these are the angle sections which is basically used to as a bracing in any type of structures. This is a bridge which is constructed in Thane country, and also this is a lake, that is Table Rock Lake. And coming to the span of the plate girder, it is almost 350 feet, and also depth of this plate girder is 11 feet. And you can see this is the clear picture of this whatever the plate girder which is connected by the bracings, and this is the distant view of this whatever the plate girder bridge in the Table Rock Lake. And this bridge is going to allow two-way traffic also. And this is also one of the other examples regarding the plate girder. Here you can observe the series of plate girders which are connected by the bracings and which are placed on the pier cap. And this is the gusset plate which is connecting the two plate girders. For the connection of this bracing, they are using this gusset plate. You can observe clearly. I have collected these all pictures for the practical understanding regarding the plate girder. Okay, let's get into the introduction of the plate girder. What is a plate girder? Plate girder is a built-up section which is made using the plates. Here you can see these are the plates which may be bolted or welded. You can say this is the welded plate girder, and it is consisting of the flange and stiffeners and also web you can see. And when this plate girder is going to be used, Whenever the hot rolled sections, which are prefabricated sections, you all know that is ISMB, ISHB sections which are available in the market. Whenever these hot rolled sections cannot resist the load coming onto the structure, then you are going to prefer this plate girder. And these are the deep flexural members which you use to carry heavier loads, and also at the larger spans you are going to prefer this plate girder. And coming to the advantage of this plate girder is it can be shaped to match the bending moment curve itself, and also you can place the exact amount of steel to match the bending moment or shear force coming onto the structure. For example, across the length bending moment is increasing. You can place the tapered section across the length also. In this way you are going to match the requirement of the steel at the location. And whenever these hot rolled sections are not going to resist the load coming onto the structure, a designer has these options. That means you can see this is the compound section. That means these are the two hot rolled sections which are welded together by the cover plate, and also this is a hot rolled section which is covered by the cover plates on the flange, in which the bending moment resistance can be increased. And this is the other section, that is a plate girder section. And coming to the other thing, that is you have the option to place the steel truss. These are the different options which are available when the hot roll sections are not going to resist the load coming onto the structure. And coming to the initial option, this is having the problem that is it is uneconomical, and also deflection limitation is there for these compound sections. And coming to the second option, whenever the hot rolled section is marginally inadequate to resist the load coming onto the structure, in that case whatever the hot rolled section along with the cover plates are going to be preferred in the construction, so that it can increase the strength of the section. And coming to the steel truss is having some of the problems like higher erection and also fabrication costs, and also having the problems of vibration and impact. And coming to the last option, that is the plate girder. And apart from these three sections, engineer is going to prefer plate girder, which is going to serve, in which these three sections are not going to serve. This is the simplest form of the plate girder, in which plates are connected by the weld. And these are the different arrangements of the plate girders. Here you can see this is the simplest form of the plate girder, in which the pair of angles are connected to the web plate. And coming to the second options, you can see the cover plate is added to the whatever the angles to increase the bending resistance of the plate girder. And whenever the depth restriction is there, in that case you are going to prefer this box girders, so that there are two webs in which the total depth of the section is going to be reduced. And this is the other options you can see, in which the side plate is going to be added in the web. And coming to the whatever the fifth option, this is the general plate girder, in which you can see in the construction, which is preferred also. And coming to the last option, that is the delta girder. And coming to the components of the plate girder, the components are, that is flange and also web, and this is the stiffeners. And based on the function of each and every stiffener, they are going to name the type of the stiffener, like whatever the bearing stiffener, jagging stiffener, and also transfer stiffener, and all other stiffeners are there. Like whenever the plate girder is going to rest on the support, at that location the stiffener is called as a bearing stiffener. And also whenever there is a jacking location is there, you are going to place the jack below the plate girder. At that location you can call it as jacking stiffener. In this way there are different types of stiffeners based on the function of each and every stiffener. And this is the introduction regarding the plate girder. In the upcoming videos I am going to discuss about the structural behavior of the plate girder. And also thank you for watching this video.